Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the engine oil life indicator. In order to do that, you have to press the start button 3 times quickly and it'll go into diagnostic mode, and then you'll be able to reset the light. So just like so. Everything comes on and then it should say I'm in diagnostic mode. There we go. Diagnostic mode active. Now what we're going to do, we're going to hold the BC button until the menus change right here in the cluster. Keep holding. I haven't released it yet. Takes a little while to go in. There we go. Engine oil. That's the one I want. Reset possible. So what you're going to do is when you see the one you want, you're going to press and hold. If you want to toggle through, you just keep tapping. So I'm going to press and hold. Pressing and holding. Takes a while. Release. It's asking me to reset. Press and hold again. I'm still holding. Not going to release. Reset successful. 9,000 miles till I need an oil change. So it's that simple, guys. Just to reiterate, you're going to come in the car, press this button quickly 3 times. It'll go into diagnostic mode. You'll hold the BC button until you see the menu options change up here. And like I said, if it's not for an oil change, for brakes as well, or any other service that might be due, you would just press it, release, press it, release, press it, release, and that will toggle through the menus for you. But if you're on the one you want, you press and hold to go further into that menu. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, you could always just put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer. And that's pretty much it. So until next time, take care.